Hey, Drill Sergeant Bucati here. Watch this video. I'll talk with you at the end. Hey, I know that most of you have attended the original emergency medicine boot camp course that we put on. Yeah, some of you may have not gone, but we've gotten the majority of you. But I also know that keeping up in emergency medicine is a real difficult thing to do. You got a lot on your plate. You got shifts to do. You got dishes to wash. You got the lawn to mow. You got the snow to shovel. You got all kinds of things to deal with. So the fact of the matter is that we got a problem. How do you keep up? Well, here's the solution. I'm ordering you, yes, I'm ordering you to attend the Advanced Emergency Medicine Bootcamp course that we're putting on in September. What are we going to do? We're going to go take a deep dive. More airway. Yes, we're going to get into doses. We're going to get into the procedures, the techniques. We're going to get into paralysis. We're going to get into sedation. We're going to go into abdominal pain, more neurology, chest pain, more acute coronary syndrome. All of those kinds of things that are bread and butter emergency medicine we're going to cover, but in more detail. And the day before the course, we have two special workshops. One 4-hour workshop in ECG reading, and the other is in imaging. So listen, tell everybody, tell your boss, tell your family. I'm out of here for my advanced course. I'm going to Las Vegas September 13th to the 16th. You're going to have a great time. We're going to see you there. It's going to be worth it. That's an order. Bye for now.